Hello everybody! It's a rainy day. I haven't busted out the Lite Brite in many years. This one happens to be from 1986. Got some blanks, some used, and I think there's some new ones in there too. Yeah, some that have not been used yet. So might mess with this a little bit today. And of course, we will be using an incandescent lamp. I believe it's burned out. Take it out and plug it in and see what happens. There's that 1986 by Milton Bradley Company, ages 4 and up, so most certainly I can still use this because I'm and up. Take a little peek at it. That's the style I am used to seeing. I know there's LED ones now. I have seen those in action. Underwhelmed, but they at least still exist. There's that side of the box. Certainly an 80s looking kid there. So yeah, let's see what we can get into here. Let's take it out of the box and see what it looks like. Alright, here's the unit. See, it's got an incandescent lamp in there. There's the back of it. I've got some Novus. I could probably polish this up and make it look pretty darn nice. And there's the infos on there. There's no controls panel. Just simply plug it in and let it rip. Here's what the plug-in looks like. Got the little stop there so the wee ones won't hurt themselves plugging it in. And I'm going to use the power strip that I had refurbished in a previous video. This has certainly made things super handy, and we're not lighting up. Either the lamp is burned out or it has become loose in the socket. Let's see which one it is. Loose in the socket. So we're good. Put it back together. And also, in the box, we've got the color pegs. And we even have the instructions. There's a look at that, kind of how it works. Should be straightforward. And the back, kind of showing how to insert the color pegs and the legend as what the letter is according to the color. And after I get done playing, I've got to unplug it. Don't want to just leave it on all the time. So heck yeah. Okay, a little while later I have spent some time cleaning on this vintage 1986 Lite Brite. Got my disinfectant wipes and Novus #1 going on this, and it actually cleaned up pretty nicely. Had all that black stuff there on that side where the Milton Bradley logo is. There's that side. And also, I got a nifty little storage case for all the color pegs. All organized and should be ready to make a creation on this thing. So we'll do that in part 2. So once again, the first look at my vintage 1986 Lite Brite. Thank you for watching.